Hi YouTube, it's your go-to Southwest Florida realtors, Tamara and Emily.
And today we are going to take you to yet another up-and-coming new construction community, but this time built by Toll Brothers, located in Naples, Florida. So today we are in the up-and-coming new construction community of Seven Shores, built by Toll Brothers. This community is right next door to Camas. We did 2 videos on that community a couple weeks ago. Watch those after you watch this video. The location of this community is in South Naples. We are on the south side of Collier Blvd. Here's the map. We are just under 10 miles from 5th Avenue with the shopping and dining, and that also is going to be the closest beach. We're only a couple miles south to the on-ramp to Highway 75, whether you want to go up north to the airport or Fort Myers, etc., or south to Miami. And if you wanted to head to Marco Island, we're only 14 miles away. As far as shopping and dining, there is also a square called Freedom Square. It's about 5.5 miles south from here. It has almost every big brand you can think of, plus local shops and dining. And we did hear that there is a Costco possibly going in this area within the next few years. As you can see, there is not a lot here. However, they are working really hard. So today we're going to take you to 2 out of the 4 model homes that are on site and talk about the amenities and what this place has to offer.
Once Seven Shores is fully built, it will have 419 homes. This includes villas and single-family homes. Single-family homes will be 1 level as well as double story as well. The villas will start in price from around $650,000 and single-family homes around $1 million, going up to around $2.5 million in total. The construction takes about 10 to 12 months in total, and there will be some quick moving homes as early as from around August to December this year, 2024. If you're interested in the site map, you can call, text or email us and we can send you a live link so you can actually see all the lots, what's still available and where they're facing. There are 4 collections and 18 floor plans. So that is a lot of choice. The amenities here are going to be your typical resort pool. This one also has cabanas, so that'll be nice. Fitness center, tennis, pickleball. They all have putt-putt here as well, so that's really fun. Clubhouse, of course. And they have a lifestyle director. Where they wanted to keep the costs a little lower is not have a restaurant on site. We'll pop up the fees of what we've been given so far. Those are the HOA fees. There is also a CDD here that is payable annually in your tax bill. For more information, contact us on that. Apparently, the amenities will be built as early as the first quarter of 2025. So hopefully that is the case. Without further ado, we're going to take you now to 2 of the model homes here on site. The first model home we're at is especially for Anthony, the Pinellas. Come have a look. The Pinellas is a 1-story home and offers 3 to 4 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. In the entrance of the Pinellas, you get a huge sense of space. What a wide entranceway and high ceilings. Beautiful wooden beams they have in this one. And these floor tiles you don't see everywhere. These are really wide and a beautiful, nice light color. To the left is the powder room, and then just behind me, this beautiful den, or could be 4th bedroom. Really beautiful, classic style, and it's a large space. And then just off that, around the corner from the front door, is a mudroom. Right opposite that, laundry room. Right behind me, the 2-car garage with the epoxy flooring. To the right of the front door, right opposite the den, there are 2 bedrooms here with 1 full bathroom and a linen closet. I personally wouldn't put glass. They seem to be doing that in all these homes, but that's just me. And through here, the first guest bedroom. 3 windows, so lots of natural light. I like the colors in this bathroom, something different. Behind me is the 2nd guest bedroom. I love how they set up this room. This gets me really excited. I need one of these, a painting room. I love this built-in custom shelf with a little lip that holds the paintings. I love the lighting. I just love this idea. You don't see this very often. So now we're getting into the open plan living room, kitchen and dining room. This home maybe wouldn't be for a huge family, but it's a comfortable size. And what I do love is that this dining room is kind of like in its own little private nook section, and it's actually really big enough to either be an 8-seater, 10-seater, or at a push, a 12-seater. And I love the double windows on both walls. This kitchen is a moderate size, very tastefully done, quite a wide kitchen island, and lots of cabinet space. And this community has natural gas. Whirlpool appliances are featured in this home. And then coming right back in here, there is again a glass door, not my favorite, but because I'm not Martha Stewart. The door doesn't open. But anyway, this is the pantry, as you can see. Just off the living room is this little passageway, short passageway, and then behind me takes you into the main bedroom with closets on either side. Hers, maybe? His? No, I think it's the other way around. The main bedroom is a really lovely size, a good amount of natural lighting. I love the wooden beams, and I love this wall paneling, which they've actually got throughout the dining room and the entryway of the home. The flooring in here is a little different to the rest of the home. It's the wood look and really nice and cozy. Back this way into the main bathroom. As you enter the bathroom, toilet with an enclosed door. Well, they usually would have doors, they just don't in these models. Across from that, another linen closet. And then behind me, we have the tub, shower, really big size. Tub, not big enough in my opinion. And a double sink vanity. All the fixtures in here and a lot of the furniture they've used is black. I think it really pops, it's really bold. It's nice and unusual. Okay, we've taken you outside. There's this undercover area. This model doesn't show it with a cage, but obviously you want that for the Florida bugs. There is a small outdoor kitchen here with sink, grill and refrigerator. I'm sure there's various options for that. As you can see, this home is featured with a pool. I like the deck chairs over here, which the little platform offers you a chance to relax and soak up the sun without being in the pool fully. Don't forget we are on a construction site, so hence all the noises. Let's head on over to the double-story model home we'd like to show you.
The next model we want to take you to is called the Groveland. This is a 2-story home and it has a 3-car garage. However, it's 2 cars on this side, 1 car on this side. This model offers either 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 to 5 bathrooms. All right, let's head inside. I really love this entrance. It is so expansive. The windows go all the way up to the top floor. I love the black on the stairs and the color of the flooring offsetting the black. On my left, when you first walk in, they put the study in here. I love the built-ins. And it's far enough away from the living room. You can have your own little space. On this side, just so you know, because I said there was the 1-car garage, you've got your door through here. Maybe if you have a guest, they can just have their own little space, park their car in their own entrance. Continuing toward the living room, there is a closet right here, which would be nice. You can hang coats. I mean, I guess we don't really wear coats that much, but sometimes we do. This is really expansive, long room with the kitchen, dining room, and living room. This is a lot of space to entertain. I really like it. And I like this cool little section right here. It's like a little bar area. There's a bev cooler, storage everywhere. This is awesome. I like that it's separate away from the kitchen, so especially when you're entertaining. This is a super large kitchen. I love this huge island. They've put 4 bar stools here, but they're pretty wide, so you might even be able to get 5 in there. In this kitchen, we have the Gen Air appliances, and the bev cooler also was that brand. The cabinetry goes all the way to the ceiling. This is the chef's dream. Think about all the yummy food you could cook in here. Through here is your pantry. The door is locked, so I can't show you, but there are built-ins, and it does go around a corner, so who knows how far it goes. Just around the corner from the kitchen, which is great if you have guests, is the powder room, so only the toilet and the sink. Continuing down this passage, you're going to have your laundry room. This is a pretty large space. You have the sink with the storage, and we really like right here, there's a little space where you can do your folding and a space underneath here where you can shove your hampers. Off from the laundry room, you have this entryway mudroom from your 2-car garage behind here. I really love this. There's lots of storage space and plenty of little nooks for all your shoes. And lastly, here's your 2-car garage with the epoxy flooring, which seems like that's pretty standard now in new construction homes. And what is nice and different, it has the 3 long windows here bringing in the light. Just off the living room, you're going to have the main bedroom. This is a huge area. It runs the length of the house. First to my right is the huge bathroom. It does have the double sinks on either side. I'm supposing this is the ladies' side. I like how there is a space here to sit and do your makeup and your hair. Really large shower, glass shower. There's not a bathtub in here. Over here we have a linen closet with the glass, and the only one we approve of because probably no one would ever see it but you. Right through here we have quite a large enclosed toilet, which is always the best. Opposite the main bathroom, there is both walk-in closets, his and hers, with beautiful built-ins. Plenty of space for all your stuff. And then this very large, high ceiling main bedroom. Really love the tray ceilings, that matches the floor. And I really love the view of the quarry, and you can also see the pool. The 2 windows on either side of the bed are unusual. We don't always see that, so even more light. You know, we like natural light. And the wall paneling behind the bed is unusual and very different, but we like it. All right, let's head up the stairs. It's pretty awesome. We're at the top of the stairs. Look at this loft. It is awesome. There is a lot of space here. Beautiful built-ins. You can put a huge TV. This is a decently large couch, and you can even add extra furniture if you wanted. Head to my right. So 3 of the bedrooms are going to be on this top floor. Here's going to be the bathroom that everybody would use. It is a full bathroom, so you have the sink and the shower. The first guest bedroom. Wow, it's so light and bright in here. It's very coastal and ocean feeling to me. Really quick, this is actually a decently big closet for a small bedroom, so that's great. On the other side, come down this passageway. The 2 bedrooms are right here. I like this room. This is different. It's got cool little corners and passageways, and it's different from what we normally show you. Here is a pretty large closet. The bedroom, definitely a boys' design that they did in here with the football theme, but it's really cozy. And I like here, what I was saying is that you have a passageway, you head through here, there's a window, so there's plenty of light, and it has its own ensuite bathroom. Last bedroom, come through here. Ooh, I really like the skateboard theme. Did you know I used to be a skater girl back in high school? And this bedroom is also gonna have its own ensuite bathroom. These are pretty cool tiles, I really like it. Back downstairs on the ground floor level, let's head out into the lanai. I mean, this one isn't screened, but it is going to be. This is a huge space, a lot of seating area right here. They have an entire table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8-seater table, but as you can see how large this is, you can get a really huge table in here. This is a really great feature. There is a full bathroom right here. It is not connected to the rest of the house. That is great. Trust me, I have children. When we have pool parties, it's really nice to have people just come right in here from the pool and not get water all over your house. And there is a full shower in there too, so you can rinse the chlorine off. Obviously, there would not be a glass door because that would be very weird. There is a small built-in kitchen, which I love since I'm the steak eater. There is additional seating area right here. You can even get one of those standalone fire pits so you can cook the marshmallows and have s'mores. And I really love this pool. It's got the spa spilling over with the pool deck. This is larger, I feel like, than what we normally see in the new construction homes. And of course, the view of the lake is really beautiful. Most all of these lots have the ability to have a pool. It's very rare. A few of them will not have the space for that, but something neat is they do have an in-house vendor who can build your pool while you are building your house. However, if you want to use your own vendor, that will have to be done after closing, but that's super nice to not have to wait for your pool later after your house has been built. Bonus, you are actually allowed to have a fence in this community to keep your pets in, or children or grandchildren. We don't usually see that. Of course, it's going to have to be HOA approved, but that's a really nice perk.
If you're moving to Southwest Florida really soon, don't have time to build a new home, and you don't want to deal with new construction, but you still want a newer home, watch our video just released last week on Raffia Preserve. It's on the north side of Collier Blvd and has homes as new as 2019. Don't forget to call or shoot us a text if you have any questions. See you. Bye.